Welcome to my channel. For those of you new, my name is Kristen. Today is going to be a Christmas trash to treasure video. It is not going to be home decor, which that is exciting. It is going to be home decor, but it's not going to be home decor. I thought of a super budget-friendly DIY. I feel like every Christmas and every holiday, people are tight on money. Like, you have taxes that come out 2 months later, you have your car insurance, you have your house insurance, you have your house payment, you have your car payment. You still have all your regular bills on top of buying for tons of people and spending tons of money, and it stresses me out. This is why I'm here, because I'm gonna show you guys some awesome things I picked up at thrift stores and Goodwill, and I'm going to show you guys how to make inexpensive gifts for under $5. So, and they look cool and they look cute, and I think it's something that people would actually want to get. Even though it's a homemade gift, even though it's a used item, you can transform that cute used item into something new and awesome, and it's something that somebody is actually going to want. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be transforming some items under $5, super Christmas budget friendly for all of us people who are strapped for cash, or for who just don't want to spend a ton of money because it's unnecessary. But before I get started, you guys, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. If you don't know what Skillshare is an online learning community and resource with over 25,000 different classes. You can take classes on design, art, photography, business, and more. The great thing about Skillshare is that you can learn at your own pace. You can take these classes at your own pace. I am absolutely loving it. I always want to try to find new things to do, and I watched a recent YouTube video not too long ago, and they did wood burning, and that is something that I've been super obsessed with. I don't have a wood burning tool yet because I want to make sure it's something that, one, I know I can do, and two, something that I really would use and really would want. So I'm super obsessed with these wood burning classes that they have on Skillshare. Super obsessed. And if you guys are trying to learn how to use your Cricut machines, they have those classes on there as well. So many cool ones. I have been obsessed with at least those two thus far. I love the home decorating ones. They do interior design, interior decorating, which I'm also obsessed with those as well. And for only $10 a month, you can have full access to all the classes, learn as much as you want. I think this is super, super great. And plus, if you sign up now, you get 2 months for absolutely free 20 bucks to check out these classes. I'm telling you, I have been once you're on Skillshare, it's almost like a new Pinterest. That is how I'm gonna put it. I don't know if I should compare, because there's not really a comparison to it, but Skillshare is definitely my new Pinterest. It's my new great obsession. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna get started with my 3 budget-friendly Christmas trash to treasure DIYs. For this first gift idea I had is with this recipe box. It was $3.09 from Goodwill, and I thought it was super cute, and I knew that you could give it a good makeover with just a coat or two of paint. I didn't realize how disgusting it was until I brought it home and I started tearing everything apart. The handles were gross, everything was gross. I hopped on my computer to do a little silhouetting with my Cameo silhouette. Obviously can't talk. I haven't used this in a really long time. I used it once ever and I get too frustrated, but I thought, why not? So I did a little something with that, and now you're gonna see me just tear everything apart. These were really gross. I had to actually scrub these and this sticky stuff was coming off of the hinges and the knobs. This was really, really gross. And once this was torn apart, I took my Kills white chalk paint and just started painting this. I had to do about 2 to 2.5 coats with some touch-ups. And that's all. I did end up spraying it with some polyacrylic to seal it, and it was good to go. And this is what I printed off my Cameo. It just says recipes. I want it to be pretty simple, and I liked the farmhouse look of this. And like I said, this is probably my second time ever using this and doing this right. So it was really nice. I just took a nice little credit card and peeled this right off. I distressed it a little bit with some sandpaper. And then for the hinges, I did take some of this Rust-Oleum and aged copper and spray painted these because they just did not look nice at all. And then I'm just putting everything back together. This was super simple and super easy. And I did take some spray chalk paint by Rust-Oleum, and I did spray paint these knobs just because these were also really nasty and the paint was coming off of them. And then I just took the same screws and screwed them right back in. This total gift is only going to cost me $4.09. I had these recipe cards from a confetti collection box, and I just thought this chocolate chip cookie mix would be perfect to go along with this box. I think this is such an adorable, simple, beautiful gift. And this next gift idea is this Lazy Susan. I picked this up at a garage sale for $2. I just took some spray paint in by Krylon. It is in the burgundy color. And I just printed something off of my Silhouette machine. I did this all on my own. It says fresh baked cookies served daily. I got this from the fresh baked pie served daily, and I thought this was so stinking cute. And yeah, this was actually the first one I peeled off all by myself and did a good job, and nothing broke and nothing got ruined. It was just amazing, how exciting, using something that you've had for so long and doing something right. But I love the way this looks. This is so cute. I think this would make such an adorable gift, and it was only $2. So I threw in some of these baker chocolates, and these came from the Dollar Tree. And then you can also just throw in like a pot holder or some towels. This is obviously just a good little idea for you, or some chocolate chip cookie mix. So I guess in the total of this one was $6. You can always give or take something away from this, but either way, it's stinking cute. And last but not least, I'm going to be using this wooden house. This was actually 50 cents. It says $1, but they were having a half off sale. And I just took the sander and sanded this down so I could paint over the top, because the words in the tree were kind of poking out just a little bit. So I did sand that down. And then I just took my Kills chalk paint in white and just painted the house. I did the back side, I did the sides, and I also did the front. And then here I go using my Silhouette machine. Once again, like I said, I think this makes really good gift ideas, and they look so nice and professionally done. So I was really, I'm really proud of myself that I used my Silhouette machine after a whole entire year of having it. So my friend and her husband and their family just bought a house, so I thought this would be a great gift idea for them. And like I said, they just bought it a few weeks ago, or maybe even May. Oh gosh, it's been like a month ago. But I thought this would be super cute gift idea for their first home together, and I absolutely hope they love it. Like, I hope she loves it. So Lacey, do you like it? And I know there's probably an easier way to do like a monogram for this, but I am unsure. Like I said, I am still learning how to use my Silhouette. I've been doing tutorials and looking online. Like I said, Skillshare is like an amazing way to check out some really awesome classes. So I have been learning on there. I just took some acrylic paint in white and sky blue and mixed them together because that is the walls of Lacey's house. So I just thought this would be perfect to just have a little bit of color in here. And then even if she does decide to change her wall color, I think this would go good with gray or white or really any color. So I just thought this was just the perfect touch, is adding this Vine. I don't know. It's from a stencil from Stencil Revolution. You guys want to check out those stencils? They're great. I'll leave that link in the description box if you guys want to check those out. But their stencils are really, really great quality. And the total for this gift idea is only $3.50. This candle I picked up at Kohl's when it was on sale, and the little house was only 50 cents. Alright, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to sign up for Skillshare. Use my link in the description box below for a free 2-month trial. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. The classes are super fun. I love the videos. I love everything about Skillshare. Absolutely think it's super, super fun. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!